Hi everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a whole load of different small hauls that I've gotten through the past few days, and I'm going to share them with you right now. So here's what I picked up in B&Q. Got a shower curtain. It's like a waffle and it's cream to go with the tiles. I told you that I was going to embrace the cream. I also got a shower curtain rod. This is extendable. Picked up some microfiber cloths. These are nice and big and look really good, so that was like £4. And then I got 2 plugs for the bathroom sink. I'm hoping, because the one that's there at the moment doesn't fit, so the water just goes away straight away, so I'm hoping that will work. If not, I might try this one. In pound stretcher, I got Alex little Batman pairs. I also got some kitchen foil, and then this was the bargain of the day. This has got 0% aluminium, and I literally just paid £2.50 for it in Tesco's, and they were selling them for £1. So I got 4. I got some Horlicks. Paul really likes this, and so does my mother-in-law. Got some toothpaste. Little tube of a hand cream for the downstairs bathroom, some chocolate. I got this one for 69p, and then a little box of Maltesers for £1. And then the chewing gum, they were doing it for 75p a pack, so I got 3 packs. That's us all stocked up. And then got some lozenges and some of these as well. I like having different flavours. I also got this Febreze air freshener. That was only £1.50, and then 2 sachets of lattes and a little chocochino pods, hot chocolate basically, which is really nice. Oh, and this. Now I've seen this brand, and it's all natural stuff, and for this big bottle was a whole £1. I know for a fact that they go for a lot more. Excuse the little man over there. And that's it. So here's what I got in Lidl. Got 4 boxes of smoothies, orange, peach and passion fruit, some pasta, 2 bags of dried mango, some slice, I think you say Mazda, some grated cheddar, some grated mozzarella, latte for my machine, tortilla chips, some dried yeast, some ready baked jacket potatoes. Those are frozen, ideal lunches for me whilst Alex is at school, some beef burgers, and then I got cheese and onion filling, which is my favourite to go with the jacket potatoes. Also got some sausage rolls.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I tell him something?
Go on. Say it. No, it's got to be this way, otherwise they can't see you. What do you want to say?
Okay, the Tyrannosaurus was red.
Very good, very good. Some garlic bread, some baby jacket potatoes, and then some rice snaps and some frosted flakes as well. Some pineapple chunks, some brioche buns for burgers, 2 loaves of bread which I'm going to freeze, Emmental grated. I saw this black pepper ham, also my favourite mortadella, and also some chorizo, which is Alex's favourite. I also got some sautéed potatoes, the smoked bacon and onions, 2 of those. My very favourite yoghurt, I will have that for breakfast, sometimes for lunch with granola and banana. Some sausages, a ready meal. This is for Alex. It's a korma, and I'm probably going to freeze this and just have it in one of those days when I don't fancy cooking. Some bananas, 2 beef lasagnas, small ones, that's for me and Alex. Some free-range eggs, some pot-baked baguettes, and some autumn decor. That's how they refer to it. And it's basically some, let me see, there we go. Look at that. They're like pottery. Okay, there's these and there's some acorns as well. That was £4. They had loads of other stuff, so if you're interested, go and check it out. Did I show the eggs? I think I did. And then over here, got some Mexican style rice. This is the microwave. Again, quick meal. Some Fanta, 2 things of chopped tomatoes. Picked up one of these, another thing of lattes, and then 2 things of all butter French croissants. They keep for a long time. And then there's my bags. Got some semi-skim long life milk, some normal milk, some mayo, sour cream and chive dip to go with my tortilla chips, some spaghetti, some beef and some frankfurters. So here's what I got in Dunelm. I got this basket. It was actually in the bathroom section. They had really cute bathroom stuff. I've got their catalogue there as well. But I'm going to use this in my bedroom. And if there was an item that could signify what I want my bedroom to be about, this is it. So kind of homemade, that a very light beige and black or dark grey and comfy and cozy. So I picked that up. Can't remember how much that was. Let me see. That was £10, which is not bad. It's not bad. I also picked up a couple of hand towels for the upstairs bathroom. Again, I went with the cream. They didn't have any pink that I liked, with cream spots. And then I also got this one, which has the pink and the brown, but it brings in a bit of the blue, which I quite liked. They were £5 each, which is not extremely cheap, but they are really, really nice quality. I also got this. I just loved it. This was £5 and to go in my lounge somewhere. And then finally saw these tea towels and I thought,
If you hit me, I'll call Black Panther.
yeah, they were very autumny. So these were £6.50, I think. The other thing I got were these 2 lampshades there. I absolutely love them. I think they're a little bit retro, a little bit modern, and they were from the range. And with that package I also got net curtains for here. And that is it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye.